Happy Thanksgiving, guys. I have a turkey pancake. After that, I might have a turkey cinnamon roll. And I'm excited for the pumpkin pie. I'm going to have 3 pieces. And happy Thanksgiving to everybody today.
Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. I'm wearing a shirt that'll make everyone real happy today, I'm sure. But look at these. It's part of our tradition.
Yeah.
Every year, turkey, pancakes, and turkey cinnamon rolls. The cinnamon rolls are almost ready. We'll do a video of that in a second. But happy Thanksgiving, guys. Are you excited for Thanksgiving, Carter? Are you excited for Thanksgiving, Kim? What are you going to eat today? You have turkey?
Yeah.
Happy Thanksgiving, Carson. Do you want to say hi? Happy Thanksgiving, Cody. Are you going to have pumpkin pie today? Yeah? What else are you going to eat today? What? Where are we going today?
To Auntie's.
To Auntie's house? Hi, Carter. Already got you. Happy Thanksgiving, Melissa. How's your daily turkey fest going?
It's going great.
Oh, look, they even get little, like, legs. This is so cool.
Yeah, and Mom making mine.
We got artist. Should you open a bakery?
Whoa.
Oh, you even get your name on it, Carter?
Not M.
That's not an M, it's an R.
Camden.
Or it's Camden's, never mind.
No, mine. Me? Do mine. Me?
Thanksgiving, Chloe. What?
Happy Thanksgiving.
Are you excited for today?
Yeah.
Are you tired? You should take a nap. Okay, so happy Thanksgiving, everyone. We were talking, today is going to be the 4th year that my sister has hosted at their new house, so it's not really as new anymore, which is crazy. Because I have pictures on my Facebook from like 14 years ago, when we were doing it with Melissa's family still. Or, well, I guess we still were, but I think that was like the first time we ever did it all together. But it should be a fun day. We got pie, we got chips, we got turkey, we got mashed potatoes. What else do we have to eat today? Rolls, stuffing. I don't like stuffing. Mac and cheese. Chips. Oh, and have to play celebrity. Because the boys are going to win again.
Girls won last year.
Yeah, but that's because Grandpa Tom doesn't know like how to read.
Yeah, because it said Cinderella.
Yeah, he put like Cinderella. He didn't know it said Cinderella, but it's all good. We're gonna win this year, so because boys rule. High five.
Girls roll, boys
Rock. What did you want to show us?
My turkey cinnamon roll. I'm having a turkey cinnamon roll now.
Wow, that's really cool, Cooper. Is that good?
Yeah.
I'm having one too.
You're gonna have one too. Hey, Carson, your turkey doesn't have any eyes or a head.
He ate them.
Where'd they go?
He ate them.
Say what? So everyone's going to say what they're thankful for. We're going to start with Cooper. What are you thankful for this year?
I'm thankful for my friends like Vinny, Gemma, Clover, Peyton, Christy, Jeremiah, and all my best friends and my family. Disneyland, Sea Taco, Pumpkin Pie, and comment down below who you guys are thankful for because I want to know.
Thankful for, Carter?
For Grandpa.
For what?
Grandpa.
For Grandpa? That's a nice thing to be thankful for. Anything else? Is that it for now? What are you thankful for this year?
I don't know.
What? There's a lot of things to be thankful for.
Probably
For everything? Nice. What are you thankful for this? What are you thankful for this year, Cody?
my turkey.
For the turkey?
Yes.
Nice. What are you thankful for? That mail truck? Nice. Alright, what are you thankful for?
Family and friends.
Anything else? For me?
Yeah.
Okay, good. You guys want to do one? What are you thankful for?
I'm thankful for animals.
For animals? Like any specific animals or all animals?
Oh.
Nice. I love animals too. Do you want to do one? No? Okay, maybe later. Let me know if you want to later, okay? What are you thankful for this year?
My family, my friend, and my house.
Yeah, anything else?
And Trump.
What are you thankful for?
Skibbity toilet.
Oh, really? And what else? Do you have that toy, the toy from Walmart?
I wish.
Yeah?
I like Skibidi.
That's what you're thankful for. Anything else?
Nope.
Your mom's gonna kill you if that's all you say.
Oh well.
Okay.
Skibidi.
How's your plate, Cody? Yum, that looks good. Carson, are you gonna get your food? Or do you want help? How is it, Cooper?
Good, I got turkey, rolled stuffing, and mashed potatoes.
Ooh, Chloe, you got a full plate, don't you? Is that good? Are you eating, Ava?
Huh?
Are you
I'm
eating?
already full because I ate all my cheese.
Really? You got your own special table? Hi, Luke.
Hi, Dopey. And there's
Camden, you got a good amount of food there, bud. You gonna eat it all? Happy Thanksgiving, Mom. What are you thankful for?
everything. All
Everything.
of this.
This?
All of this. This is the kids' table, and that's the transition table.
Hi, Anna. Someone's having a happy Thanksgiving. Be careful on that corner, Cam. You don't want to fall off the cliff, okay? Video, whatever you're about to do, okay? All right, Carson needs room. Carson needs room. Camden, watch out for a second. Ooh, you're gonna break your neck, Cam. Just go. Whoa! Was that on accident? Wait, get off. Get off, get off, get off. Okay, try again. Try again. You slipped. It's okay. Okay, Carter, watch out. Cody, watch out, please. All right. Whoa, good job, Carson. A front flip. Whoa, Camden. Okay. Whoa. Yeah, it's nice out today. It's not raining. It's freezing, but it's nice out. So they can burn some energy out here, which is nice.
Yeah, it's been raining in 2021 for Thanksgiving, but the last 3 years it's been nice.
What are you excited for soon?
Pumpkin pie. We're going to eat pumpkin pie soon.
Carter's showing us something. Whoa, good job, Carter. Looks like they've all gone on a little adventure way down there. Whoa, almost fell.
Stay standing.
Celebrity time. We have to stay standing for the national anthem.
Bananas anthem.
Last year, Grandpa Tom ruined the game because he can't read Cinderella. But we're gonna win, let's be real. Boys are smarter.
Gentlemen, please stand.
America is distraught. It's offensive to America.
Celebrity great again.
Trump would never let this happen. It helps if you sing the real song. Wow. Cal Raleigh, put it down.
Your nose.
Jack Frost. Me.
He spun straw into gold.
Oh, what's that guy's
Wrong
name?
You have to say his
Rumpelstiltskin.
That was a woman, wasn't it?
I have no idea. I'm pretty sure Rumpel's a man.
Oh, really?
It sounds like a
name.
man.
Oh, the football team that plays in Seattle.
Seahawks.
Hidden
What?
the Blake Club. The Walt
Mickey
Disney-
Mouse Club. That's how you get Mickey. Like
Ooh, Luke's
Minnie's
favorite movie.
boyfriend, Disney.
Luke's favorite movie.
Bluey.
You cook it for breakfast and it sizzles. And his first name is Kevin.
Kevin Bacon. You can't, that doesn't count.
On Kevin's something island.
Okay, super high paying baseball player for the Dodgers. Wait, you just put it away. Never mind, you put it away. Yeah, okay, you got it. Good job. No, to get that one.
Okay. Bugs.
Nope, don't read it. The Looney Tunes, the main character of the year. Okay, throw it on the ground.
You have to give hints.
Okay, she plays the Good Witch in the movie that just came out. Singer. She's a singer. Yeah, okay, put on the
Go Cooper.
faster. I have no idea what the. So Tinker's last name. Tinker. Okay, put it down.
Yes.
Okay, he's in that new movie Red One. He was a wrestler. Dwayne Johnson. Yeah, put it down. Go quickly, hurry. Me. Okay, put it down.
Cheater. Such a cheater.
How was that cheating? Ava just got 10, but I'd like to note that I had 11 the round before her. Then what's a bigger number? Is it 10 or 11?
11.
Oh, that's what I thought. Okay, boys roll. Cooper has ditched the boys team for what?
Pumpkin pie.
Pumpkin pie. How is it?
Go.
Get it, get it, get it. There he goes. You gotta go faster. Melissa subbed me out. I'm down here with the little ones. But Luke, I think Luke may have pooped.
Yeah.
Did he poop?
No, yeah.
He did. We may cause a little bit of controversy with one of the names in this one, so just be prepared.
Set.
Wait, what?
She rips a political one.
It's she's
You're not getting it.
Come on, Hannah!
That's three points you throw away.
They all say Trump.
The one with the fangs, and it's a Halloween person.
The mess?
Catcher, man.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Melissa, that really... Melissa, the cute baseball player.
This could be our final turn before the boys are announced winners. That's it? Woo! Big time drum roll. Cody.
America, beautiful, forfacious, make your fly.
What? Woo!
Wait for Nolan. Wait for Nolan.
Play Jeopardy song.
Young ladies got 95.
Good job.
Cindy Ella had 15. And the boys got 91.
What? Rigged. It's rigged, I tell They got presents. Jammies. You got Mickey Mouse little sleepy jammies? Fun. Camden, can I see your Mariners jersey? Whoa, that's a nice jersey. Can you say thank you? Did you have a good Thanksgiving, Cody? Yes or no?
Yes.
What was your favorite part? What's your favorite thing?
Turkey,
The turkey? What else did you like?
mashed potatoes,
What else?
mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese? How many cherries did you eat? Go give the auntie Aaron a hug. Go give the auntie a hug.
Hi. Oh, your ears are cold.
Is it time to go home? No.
Why don't you just go sit down and relax for a minute? Are you tired? Fight! 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 Oh God! Oh God! Give him a hug! Give him a hug! Give Luke a hug! Give him a hug! Give him a nice hug!
Give him a hug. Give him a hug.
Wild child. Just like that, we're home from another fun Thanksgiving. Thanks again, Aaron, for hosting. We had a great time. Thanksgiving's always fun. Lots of fun food, family, all that stuff. And we're going to all go through and do one more thing about what we were thankful for and say goodbye, okay? So we'll start with Chloe.
I am thankful for Camden, Donald Trump, and my family, friends, my school, my teacher, and what else? For you. Thankful for you. And I'm thankful for living in a house.
That's good. Instead of a bridge. I do know a nice bridge, though, if we ever need one. It's I-90 in Spokane. Nice bridge. Okay, and now Carter's turn. Did you have a good Thanksgiving? Do you want to say anything else, or just bye? Say bye. Say bye, everyone. Okay, Cam, you want to say hi? Did you have a good Thanksgiving? You're thankful for Grandpa. That's sweet. Okay, now we'll do Carson, then Cooper, you can end it, okay? Carson, what are you thankful for?
Family, friends.
Yeah? Did you have a good Thanksgiving?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part of the day? Was it us winning celebrity?
Yeah. Baseball.
I think Uncle Justin didn't know how to count. Is that what you think? Yeah. You want to say bye?
Bye.
Okay, Cooper.
Okay, guys, it was a great Thanksgiving. Last year we went over there really early because they went to a hockey tournament, and Chloe spent the night and went with them to the tournament. And I have more things I'm thankful for than just my friends, family, and Disneyland Pumpkin Pie. I'm thankful for Legoland, California, Great Wolf Lodge, Birch Bay Water Slides, the Link Light Rail, the Seattle Great Wheel, the Seattle Aquarium, and our next video will be Christmas, our Christmas Day and Christmas Eve vlog, but it'll be we'll vlog on Christmas Eve. On
We at Nana's
Christmas
party.
vlog and Nana's party on the 21st.
Next one.
Yeah.
Alright, guys. Thanks
Bye,
for watching.
Guys. Thank you.
And we will see you in the next one. Bye. Happy Thanksgiving on 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy Thanksgiving!